Question number 4, exercise 6.4 is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Right? Here you are to tell the number which should be subtracted from the given number to make it a perfect square, and after that the perfect square you will get, you have to find out the square root also. So it's given 402. Here what you have to tell here, what should be subtracted from 402 to make it a perfect square. जैसे आपने 6.3 में किया था, what should be multiplied and divided, and it was prime factorization, तो आपने किया था multiply, sorry, when it was prime factorization तो आपने किया था what should be multiplied and what should be divided. Now it's division, so you will tell here what should be added or what should be subtracted, or fourth question में है what should be subtracted here. So as we do the division, like 23 को अगर हम 3 से divide करते हैं, ठीक है, so 3 sevens are 21. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Minus कर दो 2. So what should be subtracted here? 2 should be subtracted here. यहाँ पर क्या माइनस होना चाहिए? 2. ओके, अगर हम 23 में से 2 को माइनस कर दें, it's 21. So we'll say that the remainder will be 0 and 3 will be divisible by 3. Right? Same here. आपको बताना है remainder, you will tell here that remainder will be subtracted from here and the rest number will be a perfect square so that you can find out the square root. Right? So it's 402. Let's make the pair first. It will go on 2, 4, take down 0, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, right? Now it will go on, किस पे जाएगा? 0, 2 तो किसी पे जाएगा ही नहीं, यहाँ पर 4 है, 4 के साथ एक नंबर और आएगा, so it will be tens, the numbers will be at ones and tens both, so it will not go under 2. 2 से smaller तो कोई नंबर नहीं आएगा, so we'll write down here 0. जब कोई डिवाइड नहीं होता तो हम क्या लगाते हैं क्वोशिएंट में? 0. So 2 will be the remainder here. 2 will be the remainder here. Right? What should be subtracted then? 402 में से 2 subtract करेंगे, then 400 will be the perfect square. Here 2 is subtracted now. 2 is the required number which should be subtracted, and 400 is the required square number whose square root can be found, and it will be 20. Right? Let's take one more example for it. 825 or 53250. Right? Make the pair 32. It will go on 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtract it. It will be 7. Take down 50. 5 plus 5, 10. Now this number and this number should be same and it should be less than 750. जो number हम लेंगे multiply करेंगे, it should be less than 715, right? So it will go on 7, 750, 749, 749 and subtracted 1. So 1 should be subtracted here. 3250 में से क्या माइनस होना चाहिए? 1. 3249. Then it's a perfect square and its square root is 57 here. Right? Any query in this question? Now question 5 is find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of this perfect square so obtained. Okay, here you are to tell what should be added, and the first one is given 525. 525, and here you are to tell what should be added. So as we have taken the example earlier also, if we divide 23 by 3, so it will go on 21 and 2 will get remainder. But if we want to tell what should be added, कि वो पूरा पूरा डिवाइड हो जाए, तो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, will not divide it by 7, will not multiply it by 7, will multiply 3 by 8. It will go on 8 then. 8 3s are 24, तो मतलब हम एक नंबर बड़ा लेंगे. 21 here we have taken 23 से smaller, and here we'll take greater than 23 to tell what should be added. फिर उल्टा माइनस कर देंगे opposite. अब अगर हम 1 ऐड करते हैं 23 में, तो 24 पूरा पूरा डिवाइड होगा 3 से, तो इट विल बी द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर. सो दैट मीन्स अगर हमें ये बताना हो कि क्या ऐड करना है, तो हम एक नंबर एक्स्ट्रा जाते हैं, राइट. हियर वी हैव गिवन 525. फाइंड आउट डिवीजन, मेक द पेयर्स. इट विल गो ऑन 2 4, ठीक है. 5 minus 4 1, टेक डाउन 25, 2 plus 2 4. What we will do here, as if I multiply 41 by 41, 41. If I multiply 42 by 2, it will be 84. If I multiply 43 by 3, it will be 129, right. So अगर हमें ये बताना होता कि क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, तो हम लेते दिस वन 84, इससे छोटा कि क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. नाउ हियर वी आर टू टेल व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, तो हम ये लेंगे 43 into 3, तो हम एक एक्स्ट्रा पे जाएंगे, कम पे नहीं. 43 into 3 129, फिर उल्टा माइनस कर देंगे, रिमाइंडर इज 4 हियर. तो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड हियर, 4 नाउ. हियर 4 शुड बी एडेड नाउ. 5 to 5 में 4 ऐड कर देंगे, it will be 529, and then square root of 529 will be 23, right. There is another method also to do this question, but that will be really lengthy and it will be typical also. This method is really easy to find out what should be added to make the number perfect square, right. Next is 1750. 1750, right. Make the pairs. Firstly it will go on 4. 4 4s are 16. Then we will subtract. It will be 1. Take down 50. Then 4 plus 4, 8. Now what number should be here with the 8? Let's check. 81 into 1 is equal to 81. 82 into 2 is equal to 164. अगर बताना होता कि क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो लेते 81. अब बताना है कि क्या ऐड करें तो क्या लेंगे 164. तो किस पे जाएगा, 2 पे. 164 उल्टा माइनस कर दो 14. तो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड हियर, 14. So 1764 is a perfect square, and square root of 1764 will be 42. So let's take one more example for it, 1300. What should be added to 1300 to make it a perfect square? Firstly, do the division, make the pairs. It will go on 3 as first square number 1, second square number 4, third square number 9, fourth square number 16. So it will go 9 will go under 13. It will be 3 3s are 9. So 13 minus 3, 13 minus 9, 4. Take down 0 0. Okay. 3 plus 3, 6. Now we have to find out this number. What number should be gone under 400, right? Let's check. 61 into 1, 61. 62 into 2, 124. 63 into 3, 189. Then if I check 4, to 56. Let's check 65. Let's check 65. 65 into 5, 315, and 66 into 6, 426. If I take 315, it's smaller, so I will go with 426 because I need to tell what should be added. तो हम जब ऐड करना हो, क्या ऐड करें बताना हो, तो हम एक एक्स्ट्रा पे जाते हैं बताने के लिए कि क्या ऐड करना है, राइट? I think we have it will not be 426. It will be 396. Now check 7. 67 into 7. What it will be? 67 into 7. 49. 4. 469. Right? It will be 469. So we will go by 7. It will be 469. 69 will be the remainder after taking one more extra number. So 69 will be added here. We'll say that 69 will be added here to make it a perfect square. So 1300 में add करेंगे 69. It will be 1369 and its square root will be 37. So question number 6 is find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Here you have given area of square and you have to find out side of square, and the area is given 441 meters square, right? Here you have given area of square is equal to 441 meters square, right? And you have to find out side of square. Area होता क्या है आपके पास? Side multiply side, which is 441 given, right? So but if you are to find out side, then it will be square root of 441, right? Side into side is 441. So according to the definition, side will be square root of 441. अब क्या करेंगे? 441 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. It will go on 2 and we will take down 41. Then 2 plus 2, 4. किस पे जाएगा ये? It's going on 1. 41 ones are 41. So it will be 21 meter. So side of the square will be 21 meter, right? Last of the part of question 5 is 6412. 6412. Here also you are to tell what should be added. Make the pairs, right? 64 is already a square number. So it will go on 8. 8 into 8, 64. Take down 12. 8 plus 8, 16. So what number will take here? What we are to tell what should be added. तो मतलब हमें एक ज्यादा पे जाना है. ये तो 12 है. 12 तो जाता नहीं. 12 के नीचे 12 से कम तो कोई नंबर आएगा नहीं. रिमाइंडर हमने ये लेना नहीं क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं बताना सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करें. अगर हमें बताना होता सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करते तो हम 12 बताते. इफ वी वर टू टेल व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड तो हम 12 बोलते, राइट? कि 12 शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो 6400 हो जाता और वो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाता. यहाँ पर क्या बताना है? व्हाट शुड बी एडेड. अगर हमें ये बताना है व्हाट शुड बी एडेड तो हम एक एक्स्ट्रा पे जाएंगे. तो फर्स्ट है 161 इंटू 161, तो यही चला जाएगा. 161 इंटू 161, उल्टा माइनस कर दो. 11 माइनस 2, 9. 5 minus 1, 4, 1. That means what should be added here? 149. 6412 में 149 को ऐड कर दो. 6561, right? 6561, if it will be 6561, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास अपने आप ही क्या बचेगा 114 161. Okay, then it will divide it properly, remainder will be 0, and square root of 6561 will be 81. Right? Any query here? Next is, in a right triangle, question number 7, in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AB is given 6 centimeter, BC is given 8 centimeter, find AC. Right here, you have given a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and triangle is ABC. So it should be like this. Okay. And first part is, if AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8, then find out AC. आपको यहाँ AC find out करना है, and you can see easily here, it's 90 degree given here, and opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Right? That means you have to find out hypotenuse. How to find out hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base and perpendicular are given here, and you have to find out hypotenuse. What is base here? 8. 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 64. Firstly, open the square. Yes, it's Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property. 6 square is equal to 36. Hypotenuse square is equal to 100. हमें क्या चाहिए? Hypotenuse. If hypotenuse square is equal to 100, then hypotenuse is equal to square root of 100. And square root of 100 is 10. That means 10 centimeter is the hypotenuse. Right?